Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your PlayStation Classic if you're selling it on. So I'm going to be selling this on and I want the new owner to start from the beginning rather than my game save data on here. So you need to go down to settings, which is this icon down here. So move around until you get settings and press X. And we're going to go down to where it says initialize console and press X. And it says all resume points and save data in memory cards will be deleted and default settings will be restored. Are you sure you want to continue? So it's going to be the same as when you set it up when you had it when it was brand new. So I'm going to move across to the left to go to yes. You can see left now is pulsing, and I'm going to do X, and it says initializing, do not turn the console off. So let it do its thing. And it says initialization complete, the console will turn off. So I'm going to press X. And there we go. I can see now that the console's just turned off. Is it going to turn back on, or will it stay like that? No, well there you go. So I could just unplug that now and set it on. I'm just going to tap the power button just to make sure it has been initialized. So it's gone to green. There we go, fantastic. It has now been reset. Thanks for watching.